In today's video, I'm going to show you Lyfta app honest review. This app promises workout logging, routine building, progress tracking, PRs, streaks, challenges, and a giant exercise library. The official site even claims 5 million plus users and over 300 million lifts tracked. Basically, it wants to replace your notebook, your memory, and that gym bro who says, "Trust me," before giving terrible advice. The good part is that Lyfta actually looks strong. Google Play says it helps users log sets, reps, weight, RPE, notes, workout history, strength, volume, body weight, personal records, and progress chart. It also lists 5,000 plus exercises with video guidance, plus programs like Strong Lifts, 5x5, GZCL, NSUNS, push-pull legs, and RP hypertrophy. That is a lot of structure for an app that doesn't physically drag you to the squat rack. User ratings are impressive too. On the App Store, Lyfta has a 4.8 rating from thousands of ratings, and Google Play shows 4.6 from over 57,000 reviews. A lot of users praise the clean design, free features, rest timer, progress tracking, and how easy it is for beginners. So no, this is not one of those fitness apps that gives you 3 free buttons and then asks for your credit card like a nightclub bouncer.
Nice.
But it is not perfect. Some users complain about missing features like a per set timer, limited monthly subscription options, workout reset bugs, and progress photo problems. Trustpilot is also too small to be very useful, with only 2 reviews, including one complaint about being charged after cancellation. Final verdict: Lyfta is a genuinely good gym tracker, especially if you want something cleaner than a messy notes app and cheaper than hiring a trainer who counts reps like he's narrating a hostage situation. It won't build muscle for you, and it won't stop you from skipping leg day, but it can make your workouts more organized, trackable, and less confusing. For beginners and regular lifters, Lyfta is definitely worth trying. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.